Power BI 101 Webisode 3. In this video, we will learn about calculated measures. Calculated measures are custom calculations defined using data analysis expressions DAX that are computed at query time, allowing users to perform advanced calculations based on existing data or measures without storing the results. In the toy store dataset, I want to create a measure for the sum of sales derived by all the employees. To create a measure, we will go to the report view and select the table where we wish to create a new measure. Now we will select on new measure, which is located in table tools ribbon section. Name the measure, enter the DAX formula, which will be sum of total sales, and then you need to click on confirm. We will now use a card visual to represent the data. As you can see, we have successfully created a calculated measure and the sum of sale comes out to be 21,000 rupees. Want to simplify data analytics with Power BI? Follow, like and subscribe for easy tips and insights.